comment down below and I will definitely get back to you on that. Shoot me a thumbs up and hey, if you got a second, hit the subscribe button. Really, really helps us out. Today's video is talking about vanishing acts. So on a saltwater hot tub in particular, but this will work on any hot tub if you just have a really hard water situation and you want to make your water softer. This product here is absolutely amazing. It's a vanishing act and it works, wow, I've seen it drop hardness in hot tubs 200 points. It does work really, really well. But what you want to do is you just open it up and you're going to get it out of a Ziploc bag that it comes in. And then this one here, you're technically supposed to take it and rinse it under water really good. Just sometimes there's some packing material in there and you'll get like a little bit of orange residue come out. You just want to rinse that really good under the sink for a second if you want to do that. But once you do that, on a Hot Springs Highlife series model, there couldn't be anything easier. If we can actually, there is a drain in the bottom of the hot tub. You can see it in the bottom, you can see that water moving. What we would do is we'd actually take this vanishing act and we would set it directly on there. If you just use a broom handle or something to put it in place, you're going to set it on there and then you're going to leave it on there for 24 to 48 hours. After 12 hours, you're going to flip it over. So you're just going to flip it over and it'll be good. You can actually use the hot tub while it's in there. Just make sure you put it back on there while that circulation pump can do its thing. There are different instructions for different models and I'll show you on a Limelight series right after this. Hey guys, welcome back and this is how to do a vanishing act on a Limelight series hot tub. Limelight series again is on the saltwater side of it. You need to keep your hardness at 25 parts per million or lower. And to do that, you can either do the hack I showed you with the water softener. I'll link that video up here. Otherwise, we need to use a vanishing act. That's this product here. It's absolutely amazing, and it will drop your hardness at least 200 parts per million if you give it enough time. So you'll just take this out of the package, and then you'll actually, so this one's actually a flare, and typically good rule of thumb is you're always going to go opposite to the return opposite of the control panel. If you refer to your owner's manual, it will actually show every single model and where it should actually go. But a good rule of thumb, just to kind of keep in mind, is opposite of the control panel. But you'll just take this vanishing act and we will put it up against that drain right there. And then you want to take like just a broom handle or something because there's probably going to be water in here. Broom handle and you're going to push it up against there and you're going to make that work. So you're going to let it run for 12 to 24 hours and then you're going to flip it over and do the same thing. But something that's really important on the Limelight series is you actually have to set the hot tub to do a vanishing act cycle. And to do that is you actually come over, you hit the options button. Once you hit options, you're going to hit more setup, and then you're going to hit more, and then you're going to hit this vanishing act button. That will run that for 24 hours. You may actually have to run it 2 cycles, so test your water before you pull that vanishing act out. The one thing about the vanishing acts, they're a one and done. Once you use them, they're no longer good and you have to throw them out, but they do an amazing job. They will really make your water soft. If you have a hot spot or any hot tub that you would like to soften the water for, you can do the same thing. You want to go opposite of the control panel on that drain, but you're going to have to run your jet pump on a low cycle, and most of those pumps will kick off after 2 hours. You're going to have to run it for 24 hours a day. So you're going to have to hit that jet button quite a bit to do it. But it is something that you can do, and it does make your water feel really, really good. I hope that answers the questions for you on how to do a vanishing act. It's an awesome product and a great way to get rid of hardness, and it definitely beats draining the hot tub and starting all over again, so it's a good thing to do. If you have any questions at all, shoot me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up and hey, hit the subscribe button. And just remember, keep making life epic.